Maayong buntag kanatong tanan. My respect to our Mayor, the Chairman of our Board of Trustees, Mayor Jimmy Cabahog, with his alter ego, shall I say, the Iron Lady of Tubod, our Administrator, Ma'am Roswell Daniel Cabahog. Another member of our Board of Trustees, Mami Nelly, ang Mami ng Bayan. Me, good morning. And also to our SBM, Limuel Tadora. Sir, mayong buntag. Kabalo ko nga ang hunahuna ni Vice Mayor, uban nato, bisa na siya sa Manila karon. So I should say, good morning, Vice. God bless you sa imong lakaw. And also to our tourism officer, Sir Milward, tanan nga mga barangay captains, both online and those who are present this morning, maayong buntag kanatong tanan. Of course, akong ipasigarbo, akong mga kaubanan sa buhat, the Team Tinaw, our VPAA, Sir Dan, Doc Dan, and leading the academic team, our faculty, staff, shall I say, the alumni, naana ba sila karon, though ang ilang time slot will be this afternoon. Of course, you students, maayong buntag again. Today, we gather to celebrate a significant milestone, the 7th founding anniversary of our beloved Tubod College. With our theme, unsa atong theme? Unity and scholastic prowess in the era of academic empowerment. Naghiusa ta karon dinhi. That's why I am so happy because God sanctified this day. As we reflect on the making of Tubod College, we must honor great leaders who have profoundly shaped our institution. We pay tribute to the founder, former Mayor Leoncio C. Bagol, whose vision and dedication laid the cornerstone of this college after its conceptualization under the leadership of the late Mayor Nelieta Cunoval. Everyone, they deserve the big round of applause. And along with the tremendous support of the 1st District of Lanao del Norte Representative, the Honorable Khalid Dimaporo, the then representative of the 2nd District of Lanao del Norte, the Honorable Abdullah Dimaporo, and ang atong inahan sa probinsya sa Lanao del Norte, our dear Governor Imelda Anguing Quebranza Dimaporo. Their unwavering commitment to education has inspired generations and continues to guide our mission. To be exact, it was 7 years ago, yesterday, January 29. It is not today. We are celebrating it today because yesterday was Konghei Fatchay. That's why we are celebrating our anniversary today when in fact it was actually yesterday that marks our 7 years in Tubod College. It was formally established by virtue of the Municipal Ordinance Number 258-2018. The Technical Working Group, chaired by Mr. Harold Tibon, our first designated school president, who was also, and at that time, who had worked tirelessly with other members to successfully gain the Certificate of Authority to Operate on April 19, 2019, granted through the Commission and Bank Resolution Number 246 2019, there were only 343 students listed and enrolled during that time, per report of our registrar, our former registrar, Ma'am Sheila Velez. Ma'am Shi, ingon si Ma'am Sheila, sa una 343 lang ang atong estudyante sa Tubod College when it started in 2018. But look at now, according to the records of our present registrar, Ma'am Priximing Betty Salutilio, we have reached 2,467 this time. And if we are going to account for every year no, sa atong operation, if we started only 300, if we are going to multiply it to 7 years, we are only expecting 2,100, but we have exceeded by 300 more. See how blessed we are with Tubod College. In a biblical context, it is on the 7th day. Di ba? Sa ikapito kaadlaw in the history of creation. It was on the 7th day that God saw everything what He did. And He said that it was good. And He rested. That's why He sanctified that day. And today, as I've mentioned, this is a very holy day because this is also the 7th year of existence of Tubod College. But we do not rest. Dili ta muhunong. In our time, in the 7th year from the founding of Tubod College, we mark the culmination of our initial struggles, the birth pains of creations, as we transition into a vibrant academic community. And that was my proclamation during my first day of duty in Tubod College. It is no longer acceptable that each one of us will say, ay bata pa mi, pito pa mi katuig. No, let us stop that. We are moving into maturity. That's why today and now, we recognize and celebrate the icon of academic empowerment. Mayor Jimmy Cabahog, sir, may I request you to stand? Please. Ladies and gentlemen, our Mayor, Junicio Y. Cabahog, the icon of academic empowerment of Tubod College. Thank you, Mayor. Very humble, yet so noble as a servant mayor in our pinakamamahal nga lungsod sa Tubod. Together with the lead man of the legislative body, Vice Mayor Clifford Humalon, and the chairperson of the Committee on Education, Mami Nelly, SBM, Nelly Pipito, with all other members of the boards of trustees, Tubod College shared and started to rise from its birth pains and to shift to new paradigms in the service of our fellow men. A year ago, I was not yet in Tubod College. A year ago, one leadership transitioned from the founding or acting college president to someone that I regard again as the Iron Lady of Tubod. No less than our Municipal Administrator, Roswell Daniel Cabahog. She brave up those mean times. Nakainomdom mo? Katong wala pa tay presidente? No, it was Ma'am Danielle or Ma'am Dimple who have bridged the gap. No? She brave up those mean times of searching appropriate people to handle and run our institution, giving up her youth in the name of service. Bata pa kayo si admin, pero iyag yung gipangusgan, mag-administrator sa munisipyo, mag-president sa Tubod College. And it's a part of our history. Enlisting our present or recent accomplishments. We are proud to account those gains of scholastic prowess. Firstly, I should have to thank our mayor and all the members of the Board of Trustees for my installation as the first full-fledged school president of Tubod College. This is one of the basic requirements of the CHED Memorandum Order 18 series of 2022. Dili nato masustain ang ato ang institutional recognition without a legitimate president or school president. Following to that, I am so happy because somebody that is very complementary to the job that is being entrusted to me is the appointment of our VPAA or the Vice President for Academic Affairs. Doc Dan, please rise to be recognized. So mailhan na nato, mga kapitan, kauban na nato si Dr. Danilo Daniel, one of my contenders during the search of college or school president. Siya ra ang akong kontra sa bugno sa pagka-presidente nga nahimo na akong best friend. And we are very complementary. Why? Why? I always spearhead planning, but the backboning of all those plans was already instructed to our VPAA. So backboning na ta karon. Now, another accomplishment. Out of 5 programs, we already have gained 4 COPCs, or the Certificate of Program Compliance. And we are still working and ongoing, tightening our belts and folding our sleeves to gain that 1 COPC for our Bachelor of Science in Agriculture. So congratulations for all of those 4 COPCs, the Bachelor of Science in Criminology, headed by Ma'am Grace Marshall as our Dean. Ma'am Grace, please stand up. For our Bachelor of Science in Social Work, headed by no less than our Dean, Sir Jamil Makadaag. Sir Jam, thank you. The Bachelor of Early Childhood Education, headed by Dr. Elmera Olavides as our program head, and with our coordinator, sidekick, right hand, Sir Johnson Cordero. Our Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship are very active, dobling trabaho. Ayaw mugsaba, kay amo ni siyang gilibelan as our GRO. Of course, in the person of Ma'am Prixie May Betty Salutilio. And lastly, we have our Bachelor of Science in Agriculture, headed by our Dean, Sir Aser Kambangay, in the person of, represented on the person of, Ma'am Alsher Sanoria. Ang atong rayna sa atong laboratory sa Palaw, Puhon. Okay? Along those lines, after gaining the COPC, we already have released special orders. Magpasalamat ta ni Commission on Higher Education, Region 12, tungod kay nakagawas na ang atong special orders. And still counting, still working on for more COPCs to be released. Congratulations again to Tubod College with the help of our LGU, our admin Dimple, and of course, Ma'am Ayla, our HRMO. We are able to create 18 plantilla positions. So sa una, puro ra gyud siya COS, puro JO. Karon, nanatay 18 ka-permanent nga positions. We also have crafted and approved the research and extension strategic plans. We owe it to our VPAA for research who is no longer with us now, of course, Sir Wilcon Herediano. Our 13 faculty members receiving assistance for development of their master's and doctoral program. Please, the recipients, kindly stand up. No, sila ang atong gigastuhan para mahuman gyud sila sa ilang masters o sa ilang doctoral program. Thank you, everyone. We also have sent some faculty to various trainings, no, para ma-upgrade sila, para ma-upskill sila, and to upskill them. We also have organized 5 student organizations. We have the Tinubdan. No, ma-feel good nato ang ilang presence kay sila ang paparazzi. No, paparazzi ni sila sa Tubod College. We also have witnessed the performance of our Bukalahi or Bukal ng Lahi choir, who ranked 3rd during the competitions joined last December in Tangub City. We also have our Tubod College Dance Club. No, daghan tag mga mananayaw. We also have organized our interfaith assembly. Daghan tag religious affiliations nga sa sulod sa Tubod College. But we are trying to recognize each of our religious organization. Let us not divide. Let us unify because we need prayer warriors for Tubod College. And also, we have recently organized the theater group. No? Bibo na ta, daghan ng artista unya pohon sa Tubod College. We have competed in invitational contest. Again, we ranked 3rd for the Bukalang Lahi, no, the choral competitions last December, and we also ranked 1st runner-up for the cheer dance competition held in Tudela. Now, we are so happy. Tungod sa kakugi sa atong Board of Trustees, we have the advent of new structures. We have the 2-story, 8-classroom building, the SE building. We also have the 8-classroom, low-cost building, no, the AE building. We also have the ongoing 14-classroom building. No, makita nato, paspas kayo. Paspas kayo. We are already on the 60% completion of the construction. We also have our school clinic. Under construction also is our admin canopy, wherein during our enrollment, dili na mo magpunsisok sa administration office, kay mag-window transaction na ta. We are organizing. Ongoing construction also is our guidance office and the NSTP ROTC office. We also have established agri-laboratory facilities. And one that is fast approaching coming, our laboratory in Palaw. Proud kay Tano sa atong marker, nananay budget, patindugon na lang. Okay. We will also be holding big events like the upcoming ALCU Games 2025 on March 2 to 8. On top of that, we are upholding a quality assured system in place. Ang atong VPAA, during the first week of January, already have conducted learning sessions to our faculty for 5 days in the implementation of our quality assured system. And we have identified 10 procedures for our academic procedures. And there are also coming pa nga mga procedures in order for us to package our quality manual. Financial assistance also was given to our board takers. Nakadawat na ba? Criminology? og assistance, 3,000 each, naka-thumbs up si Dean. Ang atong Bachelor of Early Childhood Education, nakadawat na ba? Nagtando-tando na, nagyango-yango na si Sir. Okay, how about our Bachelor of Science in Social Work? Big thumbs up from Sir Jam. So the Board of Trustees, Ma'am and Sir, release na tanan ang atong assistance nga 3,000 pesos for each of our board takers this year. Now, the highlight, our history, we cannot do anything about it in the past. But now, we are looking forward to our aspirations. That's why we have crafted the 2025 to 2029 5-year institutional development plan, which lay down a concrete roadmap in the next 5 years. Naa natay padulngan. Dili na permanente atong pangutana nga asa ta karon. Ang atong pangutana karon asa ta padulong. That is already being laid out in our institutional development plan. And at this point, may I amplify the 7-point agenda that we focus on achieving for the next 5 years or in the next 5 years. First agenda, academic excellence. We decide to tailor fit our curriculum that suits community needs and produces graduates with excellent attributes. Second agenda, research and innovation advancement. We have to promote a culture of inquiry and creativity to generate solutions that address both local and global challenges. And it is very evident today that we are celebrating, we are appreciating the cultures of the ASEAN region. Hudyat na ba nga mag-internationalization na ta? Our third agenda, resource generation and financial sustainability. Because we need long-term viability. We will explore diverse funding sources mo nang sa walay hunong permanente gyud nga si Mayor tuwa sa Manila para mangita gyud. O ingon pa si Mayor, we are professional beggars to source out to generate funds. Now, our resource generation and financial sustainability may include grants, partnerships, income-generating projects, of which our manual is ongoing for crafting, no? Atong manual for income-generating projects. And of course, from our community engagement initiatives, na ang atong mga barangay captains, nakabalo na sila nga I'm begging them, no? Sa ilang counterpart for our extension programs. Daghan kayong salamat mga kapitan sa inyong ayuda. Next agenda is infrastructure and technological development. We have to create an environment conducive to innovative teaching and learning, upgrading our facilities, and providing access to cutting-edge technologies. Daghan pa kay tangkulang, mauning usag yun siya sa atong agenda nga atong tutukan. Our fifth agenda, community engagement and strategic partnerships. Let us strengthen our ties with the community, actively seek partnerships that amplify our outreach efforts and enhance the impact of our programs and engaging with local organizations and stakeholders. Next agenda, our sixth agenda, health, wellness, and well-being. Dili pwede nga bright lang ta. Dapat ang tanan nga taga-tubod college himsog pod, both physically and mentally. That's why naanag yun atong clinic para mo monitor sa atong health. Now, our last agenda, the seventh agenda, the sustainability and environmental stewardship. Because we only have one Mother Earth to live. Kinahanglan ampingan nato ang atong kinaiyahan. We embrace our responsibility towards the environment, incorporate sustainable practices into our operations, promoting environmental stewardship. So, ladies and gentlemen, mauto ang atong 7-point agenda for the next 5 years. This 5-year plan will find its strength in a community committed to its mission, providing a well-rounded education that enriches the lives of our students, empowering them for nation building and global citizenship, with a focus on all key areas. Number 1, instruction. Number 2, research. Number 3, extension. But we are adding up one to this trust. That is production. Kay ang damgo ni Mayor, maghimo gyud ta og food basket. Not just for Lanao del Norte, but for all of our neighboring provinces. With a focus on all key areas in extraction, research, extension, and production, and our institutional core values. Unsay atong core values? Again, TINAW, which represents T for teamwork, I for integrity, N for nobility, A for agility, and W for work-life balance. We are resolute in our goal to become the leading Tubod College. To achieve the objectives outlined in the IDP, aron maangko nato ang atong mga aspirations for 2025 to 2029, we must embrace a culture of proactive planning, commitment to quality, and an openness to innovation. These principles will serve as the foundation of our institutional efforts. Today, we also launch our new vision, mission, and institutional goals. We will be missing the old ones because starting today, we will be memorizing our new vision, which says, Tubod College is an academic leader empowering communities for sustainable transformation. Mubo ra na siya nga linya, pero kusgan kay na. Now, we cannot create a vision as ambitious as that without our mission. Our mission is being acronym TUBOD. T stands for transforming lives through accessible quality education and innovative learning experiences that meets the needs of our students and communities. U, meaning uniting communities in northern Mindanao and strengthening strategic partnerships for sustainable transformation, contributing to nation building. B, boosting agricultural resilience, food security, sustainable livelihood, and fostering environmental stewardship through state-of-the-art facilities. O stands for optimizing resources to support institutional goals and upholding financial sustainability while prioritizing employee well-being and growth. And finally, D, to complete our TUBOD. D stands for developing globally competitive individuals through technology-based instructions, cutting-edge research, and sustainable practices. Dali ra memorizon, TUBOD. For our institutional goals, we have to provide quality and affordable education to the people of Lanao del Norte and the surrounding communities. We aim also to produce graduates who are globally competent, ethical, sorry guys, and socially responsive to the needs and interests of the society. We have to promote research and development in various fields of knowledge. And we have to provide extension services to the community. And lastly, we have to develop partnerships with other educational institutions, government agencies, and private organizations. Excuse me, guys. Tubod College is also committed to achieving its goals by hiring qualified and experienced faculty members. Wala nagpasabot nga atong faculty members karon dili sila qualified. Because we are taking actions, no? Ato man silang gipa-eskwela, ato man silang gigastuhan, ato silang giayudahan, so that they will become full-fledged masters and doctors. One of our strategies also is to provide students with modern facilities and equipment. We have to implement a relevant and effective curriculum, promote a culture of excellence and innovation, and encourage students to participate in research and community service activities. Gihubak na intaon inyong presidente, guys. Today marks also as the evolution of our school logo from the founding stage to the new era. And we have to give credit to Sir June Narciso for coming up with such a nice logo. And we also have to thank our Board of Trustees for the approval and the enhancement of this logo. Kung nakita ninyo, shape siya sa funnel, there is an open space above. Kay kung permanente raman gud ta magtakom atong feast, we are not ready to receive the blessings from above. The institution offers a wealth of opportunities and engages with a highly teachable community. Mo na'y meaning sa open space sa atong new logo. The laurel wreath, kanang laurel wreath, kung ato na siyang iphon, there are 24 leaves. No? The laurel wreath is often associated with victory and accomplishment, symbolizes the interconnectedness and unity of the 24 barangays in Tubod, Lanao del Norte. Pakpak pud mo, oy, nangugat na biya ko ay. Okay, kay malipayon ta, kay naagyod ang atong mga barangay captains. They make up the municipality of Tubod. It represents the strength that arises from collective effort and cooperation. The torch. It represents empowerment, knowledge, enlightenment, and the pursuit of learning. It symbolizes the institution's role in illuminating minds and guiding students towards a brighter future. Next is fire. It represents passion, energy, and the drive for progress and innovation. It symbolizes the dynamic and vibrant spirit of the institution and its commitment to creating a positive impact in the community. The bridge. It symbolizes connection and unity and progress. It signifies the bridge that Tubod College built between its students and the community, connecting them to opportunities, resources, and each other. Next symbol is water. Tubig. Tubod manta, tubod nga tinaw. It represents the tinaw culture with life, growth, and renewal. It symbolizes the nurturing environment that Tubod College provides for its students and the community it serves. Next symbolism is people. It symbolizes the pursuit of excellence and the recognition of hard work and dedication in any field of profession and represents the students to become global professionals. In short, this is the ecumenical community that we celebrate. 2018, it marks the year that Tubod College was established. So, namugna na ang bago natong logo. Naapaday hands, Sir June. So ang hands, nagsimbolize siya sa pag-amuma sa tanan. No? Sa tanan, estudyante, our stakeholders, our partners, tanan. No, nga naay kalabutan sa Tubod College. Now, our Omnibus Cum Deo, meaning all with God. God as the center of all. Because, bisan unsa pa nato kakusgan, sa ingon pa ni Father kaganina, let us not rely on our own understanding and on our own strength. Because there is always that prime mover in the universe. And it is God. No, tanan natong activities, tanan natong katuyuan, tanan natong selebrasyon, it must be all with God. Omnibus Cum Deo. Sir June, and that makes our beautiful logo. Tinuod yun, guys. Tinuod nga ang ikapito katuig. Mao gyud ang atong turning point. Nagbag-o na ta. We may miss the logo before, pero we are facing a new era. That's why we now embrace our new logo. Thank you so much, Sir June, sa imong sleepless nights. Si Sir June, bisan alas 12, alas 11, alas 2 sa kadlawon, mag-message ako Dok, pwede na ni? Koreksyon na pod. Dok, pwede na ni? Koreksyon na pod. So, pila ka adlaw gyud nga kumbate ni Sir June to make up that beautiful logo. Somehow, we will not only miss our old logo, but also, let us say goodbye to our Tubod College hymn that reverberates in our ears for the last 7 years as we march for the new Tubod College Herald. At this point, may I request Sir June to please play our new College Herald. And we will be singing this herald starting today until the next 5 years. Take the floor, please, Sir June. So bago na, wala pa ninyo na-memorize si Tubod College hymn, nanatay Tubod College Herald. This is our new song for Tubod College.
Ignite with integrity, a guiding light. Tubod College, a beacon bright, empowering souls with all its might. Tubod College, our alma mater dear, work, life, and balance year after year, with hearts aflame and spirits bold. A brighter future, stories unfold. Research blooms and innovation thrives. Nobility for lives that strive. Agility, we lend a hand, building bridges across the land. Oh, to our college, our alma mater dear, work, life, and balance year after year, with hearts aflame and spirits bold. A brighter future stories unfold. Research blooms and innovation thrives, nobility for lives that strive. Agility, we lend a hand, building bridges across the land. Oh, Tupac College, our alma mater dear, guiding us onward year after year, with hearts aflame and spirits bold, a brighter future stories unfold. Perseverance, our triumphs won, our spirits strong, forever young. With gratitude we sing your praise, to our college forever blaze. Oh, to our college, our alma mater dear, work, life, and balance year after year, with hearts aflame and spirits bold, a brighter future stories unfold.
Do you like the beat? Bibo? Credits to Sir June again. Ang lyrics, guys, wala na gyud in town nalapat ni Sir June dinha sa atong presentation kay wala gyud in town na siya tulog. No? So, Sir June, let us distribute the lyrics para sugdan na nato og kanta ang atong New College Herald, Tubod College Herald. The efforts of our great leaders remind us that education is not just about knowledge, but also about empowerment and opportunity for all. We have faced challenges, but they have only strengthened our resolve and unity. Realizing this ambitious agenda, ambisyoso ra bata? Karon nagisgot patag IDP, ganina nagisgot na kog internationalization. Unya sunod si VP magisgot na og Tubod City State College. Ihonghong sa nato. Okay. Therefore, I urge you all to engage passionately and respond to the call for selfless service. Together, let us uphold our commitment to quality and excellence at Tubod College. Through our combined efforts, we can make a significant impact and ensure a vibrant academic community. Together, we build a nurturing environment where creativity thrives, ideas flourish, and dreams become reality. Sa gamay pa ko, when I was in the elementary, madunggan yun na ako sa mga speeches sa atong late Governor Arsenio Quebranza, nga moingon jud siya nga hinaot pa unta nga diri sa atong pinanggang lungsod sa Tubod, doon na naunta tay college. Ug natuman na ang iyang pangandoy. And it was 50 years back nga iyang gidamgo. Ug karon na-realize na. Through our combined efforts, we can make a significant impact and ensure a vibrant academic community. Together, again, we build a nurturing environment where creativity thrives, ideas flourish, and dreams become reality. As we look to the future, let us embrace the opportunities that lie ahead. Daghan kaing opportunities that is laid before us. Let us continue to foster innovation, collaboration, and inclusivity. Together, we will inspire the next generation of leaders and change makers. In closing, I thank each of you for your contributions to our college. Your passion, dedication, and hard work have made this journey possible. Here's to many more years of success, growth, and academic excellence. Omnibus Cum Deo, empowering communities. Again, mayong udto sa tanan.